How to edit TikTok video using Capcut 2023. Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how to edit TikTok video using Capcut 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just really quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, let's head over again to our TikTok right here. And what you can do is to just click on the search icon on the upper corner. And then you can search here for Capcut. So let's search for Capcut. And in here you can see all of the videos that used CapCut on editing them. So for this, let's click on this icon right here or this video. And then from there you can actually try to click on this CapCut try template. So let's click on this one right here. And just click on this use template in CapCut. Let's click on that. Click on agree and continue since it will redirect it to CapCut. And then click on this use template, so click on that. So let's allow this. And now once we have done that, you can add actually photos or videos that you want to add. So for example, let's try to add these photos right here. And then once you have been added all of this, just click on preview on the bottom and it will load the effects. And as you can see, you can now edit this like this. And now once you are satisfied with your editing, just click on this export right here. And then from in there, you can export it to TikTok. So click on export without watermark and it will save just like that. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to edit TikTok video using CapCut 2023. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.